Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about Arduino. So what is an Arduino? Now, Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on LED, publishing something online. There are so many more functions out there. As you can see on the right, we've got multiple Arduino boards over here. So Arduino basically is an open source platform where you can use these devices or boards to program and design and build simple electronic systems using the IC chip based here. Okay, Arduino is based on a microchip like Atmel 328p, then they have 128p. They have different versions. Okay, so this is what is an Arduino. You could use Arduino boards to create your simple projects like a moisture measurement system, or a security system with your door, or a robot that can detect light and follow it, or a fingerprint detection system at home. So this is used mainly by the DIY enthusiasts, like people who like to do their own things, make their own projects. So if you're one of them, you can get an Arduino kit from our links given from the resources sites, or if you want to learn about robotics, this is the best place to start, but we have a better option for you. You can get Bell Educational Robotics Kit, which is based on Arduino. We've created this and introduced a very easy programming language, block programming language, which you can just use to drag and drop. So check out the video in the link below in the description, where you can find out more about the Bell Educational Robotics Kit and kickstart your journey to the world of robotics, to the world of STEM, to the world of change. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day. And don't forget to share, subscribe to our channel, and like the video. And let us know if you have any questions or in the comments below. Thank you.